Hi guys, how to add Roblox to Steam. Now, launch the Steam desktop application and click on the Library tab located in the top left corner of the window. This is where all your games live, including the ones you are about to add manually. Navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen, click the Add a Game button, and select Add a non-Steam game from the pop-up menu. This hidden feature is what most Steam users never even know exists. Scroll through the list of detected programs to find Roblox Player and check the box next to it. Here is the common mistake. If it's not listed, don't panic. Just click Browse and find it inside your computer's Program Files folder. Click the blue Add Selected Programs button at the bottom of the window to link the launcher to your Steam list. Once you do this, Roblox will permanently appear alongside your other Steam games. Select Roblox from your Steam library list and click the green Play button to launch the game directly through Steam. Keep watching, because next I'll show you how to add custom artwork so Roblox looks like a real Steam game in your library.